Hey there, my name is Randy. It's the week before Thanksgiving and I need some practice smoking a bird on the offset smoker because next week I'm smoking the Thanksgiving turkey on the Oklahoma Joe's offset smoker. So today I'm going to take these chicken legs that I have and I am going to smoke them on the offset. Now the goal is to do high heat, get that skin extra crispy, and maybe with a little luck, a little bit of my Hossum dry rub. Ingredients are shown on the screen here. All right. So with that being said, I'll see you on the smoker. All right, and I wanted to show you guys my setup real quick. I got the Oklahoma Joe's. I do got the 2 racks that I got from bbqsmokermods.com. I'll go ahead and put that in the link in the description if you guys wanted to visit them. Got my Weber kettle just holding the grill wood right now. And then of course we're just waiting on the coals to get nice and hot. Not quite. Almost there though. All right. I'll be back once I get everything on the smoker. Alright, so I got the chicken legs on the smoker. I got it burning pretty hot. I'm trying to keep it between 255 and 330, give or take. I'm trying to make it a hot and fast, crispy cook. I do got 2 water pans here just to kind of make more smoke and dilute the fire a little bit and protect protect the chicken. But yeah, we are gonna butter these bad boys up and let them smoke for a little while. Alright. And of course, like I said, we are gonna butter these, so just gonna mop butter these. Whew. Fire's getting a little out of control, but I think we'll be all right. I'm gonna kill the smoke exhaust a little bit. I'm gonna close this vent just a bit, just till it gets regulated, and I will see you guys in a moment. All right, just a little side note, when you're buttering it, you gotta make it quick because with all those open gates and everything on the smoker, the flames are gonna get a little high. So we got everything under control, everything's mellowing out, the flames are down a little bit. We're just letting it hit smoke for about probably 45 minutes before we douse it with some more butter, maybe throw a few more logs on it. Should be a pretty quick cook today, but yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. All right, and here's the final product in the smoker. I am gonna show you a better view outside of the smoker on a tray, but those are looking damn good. Damn good if I do say so myself. All right, so that's gonna end this cook. It was a pretty simple cook, but these look amazing, and I think I'll be just fine on Thanksgiving. Guys, go ahead, like, comment, and share the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Follow me on Twitter at Hossum. Thanks so much for watching. Cook something, and peace.